Good morning, children. Now this is 6th class social studies, children. What is that lesson? 8th lesson, kingdoms and empires. Okay, children. I said in the previous lesson about this lesson. In the previous classes also we discussed many points in this lesson, children. So who are the kings and what are the kingdoms? How they ruled the kings and how they built the temples, forts, etc. Okay, children. For example, Mauryan Empire, Gupta Empire, okay, Ikshvaka Empire. So that all empires we discussed in the previous class. Now look at here the Pallava dynasty. Dynasty means what, children? The same family members ruling one by one. Okay, father, after father, son, after son, grandson. So the same dynasty will rule the kingdom. This is called family. This is called dynasty. Okay. For example, Pallava dynasty. Here, the Pallavas ruled from Kanchipuram. Where Kanchipuram? It is in Tamil Nadu, near Chennai. Okay. So between 300 CE to 900 CE. That means this is the period of Pallavas reign. Okay. So who was the founder or who was the first person ruled as king in Pallava dynasty? Mahendravarman I. Mahendravarman I. Next, children, they built many temples. That means they focused upon the architecture. So they built forts. Okay, next one, temples. They focused upon the temples. The temples also very special. Now look at that is called Dravidian architecture. How they followed Dravidian architecture. Next one, it is also known as Mahendra style. What it is? Mahendra style. Next one, this style is related or near to cave style. What it is? Cave style. Next, children, after Mahendravarman I, his son came as king. What is his son name? Narasimhavarman. What is his son name? Narasimhavarman. This Narasimhavarman is also known as Mamalla. What is Mamalla? Children, here first one is the first king in Pallava dynasty, Mahendravarman I. After Mahendravarman I, his son came. His name is Narasimhavarman I. He is also known as Mamalla. Okay. Next one. This Mamalla or Narasimhavarman I built Mahabalipuram. At Mahabalipuram, he built fort and also this style is called Mamalla style. What it is called? Mamalla style. Next, children, he built 5 rathas. How many rathas? 5 rathas. These 5 rathas are called Pancha Pandava rathas. What they are called? Pancha Pandava rathas. The style is single rock. So they call these Pancha Pandava rathas with a single rock. So that is why this is also called monolithic. What is that style? Monolithic style. So that is about Pancha Pandava rathas. It was built by Mamalla style. Mamalla means Narasimhavarma I. Narasimhavarma was the son of Mahendravarma. Mahendravarma was the founder of Pallava dynasty. Okay, children. Next one, Narasimhavarma I after his son came as king. What is his name? Narasimhavarman II. Look, children, in Pallava kingdom or dynasty, 3 kings are famous. First one is Mahendravarma I. Second one is Narasimhavarma I. Third one is Narasimhavarman II. So this is the 3 important leaders or kings in Pallava kingdom. Next one, this Narasimhavarman II also built many That means he also concentrated upon the temple buildings. Okay. Next children, this man Rajasimha, this Narasimha Varma is also called Rajasimha. Look children, here Narasimha Varma 1 is also known as Mamalla. Narasimha Varma 2 is also known as Rajasimha. So he developed new style, that means soft and sand rock. He built temples. This is also called Rajasimha style. What is that style here? Rajasimha style. So Rajasimha who children? Narasimha Varma 2. Mamalla who children? Narasimha Varma 1. Next one, he also built many temples children. For example, with the style of Rajasimha style, he built Kailasanath temple at Kanchipuram. Where he built the Kailasanath temple? At Kanchipuram. What is the style of this Kailasanath temple at Kanchipuram? Rajasimha style. Okay children, so this is about Pallava dynasty. What is that dynasty? Pallava dynasty. Next dynasty is Chalukyas dynasty. What it is? Chalukya dynasty. What is the meaning of dynasty children? Dynasty means a group of same family members ruled one by one in the same kingdom. That is called dynasty. Now Chalukya dynasty. Here these Chalukyas are developed South India and Central India in our country between 600 CE to 1200 CE. This is 300 to 900. This is 600 to 1200. Okay. Who was the founder of this Chalukya dynasty? Pulakesi I. Pulakesi I was the founder of Chalukya dynasty. Next one children, they are ruling from Badami. It is in Karnataka state. What is that? Karnataka state. Next one children, after Pulakesi I, Pulakesi II came as king. What is him? Pulakesi II. So Pulakesi II defeated one king. His name is Harshavardhana. Where he defeated Harshavardhana? At Narmada River Valley. Who defeated Pulakesi II? Whom defeated Harshavardhana? Where? In or at the surrounding place of Narmada River. Next one, these all information was mentioned in one inscription. Where the inscription found? Look at here. Aiboli inscription. It tells about the defeat of Harshavardhana by Pulakesi II in the Aiboli inscription. Okay, children? Bagalkot, Karnataka. Where this one found? At Bagalkot in Karnataka state. Okay, children? So, who prepared this inscription, Aiboli inscription? Ravikirti. So, Ravikirti was the court poet of Pulakesi II. Are you understood, children? Ravikirti was the poet. So, he prepared the inscription that is called Aiboli inscription. It found in Bagalkot. Now it is in Karnataka state. Next children, these kings, Pulakesi I, Pulakesi II, they also focused upon art and architecture. Art and architecture. So they introduced new style. Okay children, for example, what is that style here? Vesara. And also they took the another style, South India style, that is called Dravidian style. Next one, North India style, that is called Nagara style. So here, South India style, North India style, they mixed and they constructed many buildings, many temples with these two mixing style. Okay children? Next children, Pulakesi II Okay, Mahendravarma won. So Pulakesi II was defeated, Mahendravarma won. Where? At Kaveri river. Okay children, next one, he cooperate with or friendship with another small kingdoms. What are the kingdoms here? Chola kingdom, Chera kingdom, Pandya kingdom. Okay children, so this is the information about Chalukyas. What is that children? Chalukyas. Now look at children. So the Chalukyas, first one Pallavas, after Pallavas Chalukyas came. Who are important person in Pallava? Mahendravarman 1, Narasimhavarman 1, next one Narasimhavarman 2. So after Chalukyas, Chalukyas founder Pulakesi 1. After Pulakesi 1, who came? Pulakesi 2. Pulakesi 2 defeated Harshavardhana. Next to he defeated Mahendravarma 1. Where? At Kaveri river basin. And he friendship with Cholasu, Cherasu, Pandyas. Okay children, now I want to show you the temples which is built by Pallavas and Chalukyas. Now look at children. Look this temple, how nice it is even today. It was not decayed. Someshwara temple at Pattadakal. Okay children, so that is one. Pattadakal is a small village children in Bagalkot of Karnataka. 10 temples were built in the village children. Out of them 4 were built in northern style, Nagara. The rest 6 were built in southern Dravidian style, Virupaksha temple and Sangameswara temple in Dravidian style. Next children, Papanatha temple was in Nagara style. So that is children. Next to look at children. Look this examples of Pallava architecture. Mahendra style of architecture, first one. Second picture is rock cut temple, monolithic architecture, Panchapandava Rathas. I said about Panchapandava Rathas. So these are the Panchapandava Rathas children. Look at. Next children, stone built temple, Rajasimha style of architecture children. Stone built temple, Rajasimha style of architecture. Okay children, so this is the speciality of architecture which is implemented, developed by our ancestors, Pallava dynasty, Chalukya dynasty. Okay children, Mauryans, Guptas, etc. Now look children once again. Here some meanings are there. They are called glossary. Indigenous. What is the meaning? Swadeshi Tayari. Native made. Clan. Clan means what children? A group of one race people. They are called clan. Dynasty. Vamshamu. Series of rulers from the same family. Empire. Samrajyamu. Large kingdom. Inscriptions. Sila Sasanalu. Messages carved on rock surfaces. Sila Sasanalu. Inscriptions. Astronomy. Khagol Shastramu. Study of space. Astronomy means study of space. I repeat. Indigenous. Swadeshi Tayari. Clan. Tega. Dynasty. Vamshamu. Empire. Samrajyamu. Inscriptions. Shilasasanalu. Astronomy. Khagola Shastramu. Okay children. Thank you children.